Welcome to Dan AIG YouTube. Patrick Ehariali now sold out to Esan people, according to Lucky Orupe. He say Patrick Ehariali they work with Adams Oshomole against Godwin Obaseki. So make I leave you now, make you for hear the message we get for Patrick Ehariali. Enjoy the video.
Action.
All right, my names are come with Lucky Orupe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, also the convener Esan Gender Movement. This morning, I'll be greeting my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you are watching me for. I want to reply Patrick Ehariali. First, Patrick Ehariali is a soldier to Esan people. Esan people, the 5 local governments in Edo Central should take note that Patrick Ehariali, working with Oshomole this time against Mr. Godwin Obaseki, is a soldier, is a sellout to Esan land entirely. And Patrick Ehariali is a leader without followers. He have no followers. How dare you use yourself to compare Kenny Maswagbon? Kenny Maswagbon is a rice man. Is a household name, rice man. How do you use yourself to compare Kenny Maswagbon? The name you call Kenny Maswagbon on that national television they're supposed to describe you like that. Patrick Ehariali, let me tell you something. Do you know the trouble you caused to Nigeria? Not just Esan alone. You were part of the people that sent NEPA in Abuja. You were in that committee. You were in that committee, Patrick Ehariali, that sold the BDC to the big men. You are the problem, one of the problem in Nigeria. When people were looking for prepaid meter, when people were passing through hardship in this BDC stuff, you came to Benin and you know the embarrassment you receive. You are part of that evil arrangement. So, Ehariali, Kenny Maswagbon or Esan people, they are not your mates. In Esan land, you are not recognized. If not for Kabiyesi Ineoye, nobody know you. Nobody know you. I'm talking about the Uzoya one. If not for Uzoya, nobody know you in Esan land. And you can never ever win an election again in Esan land because of the role you play in Abuja in that committee in House of Rep, where you people gang up to sell BDC to society people that is causing pain today. So Ehariali, I'm responding to your statement this morning from Esan Gender Movement that we know the people that is on ground in Ekpoma. We know the people. Can you compare yourself with Jofe Akabo in Ekpoma? If they bring 2 of you to mobilize, who do you think that the youth will follow? If they bring you and John Were, the House of Rep member, to mobilize today, because these people are measuring now like the Jofe, like the John Were, they are mobilizing for Mr. Godwin Obaseki. If they bring you and them, who do you think that can mobilize? You have a bad name already, Patrick Ehariali. You only come to Esan once in 4 years. You are a businessman. You are using Esan people to trade. The billionaires in Edo State, including Oshomole, they have given you money as a director general in Edo Central to sponsor their evil. So I'm calling you this morning to apologize to the Esan people for insulting Kenny Maswagbon on national television. You can't even challenge the House of Assembly member, Marcus Onobu. He's from the same constituency with you. Where that's about challenging Marcus Onobu? Marcus Onobu is on ground in Ekpoma. You are not on ground. I do not belong to any political party. Nobody pay me for what I'm doing. In Upoji, you are from Upoji. You are from Upoji. Marcus Onobu can also win you in that your Upoji, in your village. You are from Upoji. The road to your palace, the road to the Emeke of Upoji Palace is not tied. No road. No road to Onoje of Opoji's house. No road. So when people are talking in Esa land, the Esa gender movement worldwide, we are watching, we are observing everybody in that senatorial district. When you come out with satanic plans and satanic arrangement against Esa people, we will expose you. Esa gender movement is a human rights organization. Obaseki is the project. You can't go and change some people's mind. It's unfortunate that when you are doing a rally in Esa land, the APC rally, you pay some people, they will come. Obaseki never pay anybody to come to rally. Obaseki have not paid anybody one naira, even including me that is talking. We are working because of the passion we have for good governance. We are working because of Obaseki is a freedom fighter. So I can proudly tell you, Patrick Ikariale, that the entire Esa that have collect money for you people hand, they are voting for Godwin Obaseki. And then some people listen to me carefully. Patrick Ikariale is one of the persons that have caused setback to Esa land. He's from Oji. Quote me anywhere. Kenny Masagmo is not your mate. Kenny Masagmo, did you know how many students he have given bursary from Esa land? Did you know how many iPad Kenny Masagmo have distributed to Edo students, not only Esa, in Edo North, in Edo South, in Edo Central? Did you know how many iPad? The man is not sharing rice this period. He is sharing computers to students. He is paying school fees to students. I want you to show me one project, Ikariale, in Upoji, where you come from. Just show me one project. So no room for satanic leaders again in Esa. All those any politicians in Esa, those politicians now that is following Oshomole, Esa people have declared them enemy. That is the truth of the matter. Even the Upoji that you are talking about, your own village, I was there 3 weeks ago. I was there 3 weeks ago. The road to your village, the House of Rep member was the one that tied that road. Senator Clifford Odia. You were in National House of Assembly. You never want your people to see light. Somebody from Irua is not tying your road in Upoji. Shame on you, Patrick Ikariale. Shame on you. And I'm using this medium to warn every political emperor in Edo Central. If you are working with Oshomole, you better collect the money from Oshomole and vote for Obaseki. Obaseki said is the turn of some people come 2024. You are saying no. You want another 16 years before it can be Esa turn. Alivesa that gbebarebe. Alivesa oida gbolobarebe. Beba don mi Oshomole go. Wa yogenya wa work against Esa. Alivesa oida gbolobarebe. Patrick Ikariale, your wife dey Esa. Your children dey Esa. Answer me now. Answer me. Because you sabi talk. They talk. You can imagine will not be made for life or anything. You know how many people can imagine going to support for Edo State? Not be only Esa. Do you know how many people? You and Gideon Hinen and not be mates. Said you so good from Esa Southeast and not be mates. We have some other leaders. Are you not watching your television to see that nobody is clapping for APC people in Esa land? Nobody. I am not APC, I am not PDP, I am just a freedom fighter. And Obaseki is a freedom fighter. Any right-thinking person in this election that is not supporting good governance, that is not supporting development, that is not supporting Obaseki, is the enemy of Esa land and the enemy of Edo State. Look at this drug addict, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, that you are calling your leader. Person where they smoke cocaine, person where they smoke cigar for inside rally, person where they say America they fight it tomorrow. If not be the way Nigeria be, Tinubu not supposed to even do councillor. So Patrick Ikariale, they warn you and your national leaders of association of political godfather. No room for you people again. Bye-bye to godfather. Political godfather in Edo State. And not only in Edo State, Patrick Ikare-Ali, go and tell your national leader for your party, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, go tell him, now turn, we will just. Are you hearing me? So when you are speaking, speak for yourself, don't speak for the Esan people. If person like Kenny Masagmo that is paying a huge price for training people in school, sending people to skin acquisition, if they talk for Esan land, we not say na woman be the talk. Not be you will be say now na go make arrangement when I take Senepa. Patrick Ikare-Ali not be na Senepa. The day when you come at those states, civil society not really beat you. If I not say that so you they talk anyhow, that day when they want beat you for Akpakpava, I for leave them make they beat you. Why they want beat you? They say now on a Senepa. Now this problem when people they pass through for those states. Now you did the committee now. I be you won't lie. Now Obaseki they build power plants to bring light for those people. Now make una the first for her. So Patrick Ikare-Ali, Esan Jeddah movement, they respond to you this morning, say you no get follower. You are a leader without followers. I will bring back updates about all those political emperors in Edo Central. Never again you will use Esan people. Thank you and God bless you.
Now we don't hear from Lucky Orukpe. Abeg, help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, subscribe because of this election wey won't happen next week Saturday, so that make you no miss the things wey won't happen that day. Subscribe now. Anytime I upload video to this my YouTube channel, if you be my subscriber, you go be the first person to get the information. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.